So the big kids are sick and our HVAC is broken. We're having a great day. Also, if you want air conditioning and amazing deals, go to the Diamond Depot. 10 out of 10. So hot. Oh my goodness. He needs help. Somebody help him. Run. Run, my friend. Don't do it. It's not gonna happen, friend. Be careful. Run away. Office space. Follow me around, a boutique owner with 0 foot traffic from the mall. Looks like we got an online sale. Thank goodness, something's gotta pay the bill. My HVAC is broken, but don't worry, they promised they'd fix it last year. No, there's no restroom down there. I know there's a sign that says restroom down there, but it's in the food court. There's nothing down here. Another day, another dollar from my online store. Today is a weird day. I feel manic. Manic's probably the word. I feel like there's so much to do, but also like I don't have the mental capacity to do said things. What's up, baby? And literally swerved and turned their blinker on 800 times. Like they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna go because the baby's crying. I feel weird. All of these vlogs are brought to you by the haves and the have-nots. We are labeling. We got trios. We got duos. Look how cute. We're just getting everything all labeled right now. All right, is this upside down? Maybe. Anyway, here's the label that we're putting on the large brothers. And then these guys are going on our trios. That's all folded. How cute. I literally can't. So the trios have a butter, a sugar scrub, and a mini gloss. Like, are you kidding me? So beautiful. And everything set up and ready to go for the launch tomorrow. Oh, peeky peeks.